Right. Good morning, students. Let's wind up our topic on functions of central bank. We have already covered a lot of them, but last but not the least, and considered to be amongst the most important, is controller of credit function of central bank. In our case, RBI. Now, what is controller of credit function is? It's primarily related to having a control over the money supply in the economy, right? As we know it, RBI is the initiator of throwing new money into the market, expanded by commercial bank. But many a time what happens is RBI or a central bank may be assessing the situation from time to time whether the money supply is more or less in the economy when compared with the requirement. So if it is less than the required amount, they will increase the money supply to match the requirement, right? And if it is on the higher side, then it will bring down the money supply to match this requirement of money supply. Am I clear? Now, how it does it? It does it by applying two basic tools. A, quantitative tools, which you will study ahead. Examples being repo rate, bank rate, CRR, SLR, which you have to study a little bit later. They are the tools which makes a change in the overall quantity of money supply. Am I clear? Overall quantity of money supply. So if money supply has to be increased as such or expanded, quantitative tools should be used. Or money supply is to be contracted from the economy, has to be reduced. Even then these tools can be used. Another of the tools which they can use is qualitative ones. Right? Qualitative tools. Some of the examples are selective credit control, moral suasion, which we will hear and study in the upcoming classes. But for the time being, qualitative tools, they are used to diversify, right, or divert the money supply from one sector to another. Let's say, for example, in a particular industry, if the money is supplied, maybe that type of industry now more money to be supplied, and other type of industry less money to be supplied. Or if you see into sector, agriculture sector, the money supply has to be comparatively reduced and more liberally the money should be given to industrial sector. That is selective credit control, or what we call it as the qualitative tools of controlling the credit. In short, amongst the most important function of how the money supply is regulated in the economy. As such, if it is more than required, then money supply will be reduced. If it is less than required, according to the requirement, it will be increased. Thank you.